Good morning, students. In last class, we have seen about the prism. We have seen what is prism and how reflection takes from the prism. Today, we also have seen that about the dispersion. That is, we have seen when a white light passes through a prism, it is split into 7 colors. That is known as a spectrum. Today, we will discuss that is spectrum of light and also how Sir Newton proved that with the help of prism, that is sunlight is composed of 7 colors, right? So first, we have seen that is when a white light passes through one page of the prism, then on the other page it is split into 7 colors. That band of 7 colors is known as a spectrum. Okay. The band of 7 colors due to dispersion is known as the spectrum, right? So, the difficult to say means we have seen EPC, it was means from prism when white light was passed, we got band of brightest colors, right? That is sequence. The least deviated was red, most deviated was violet. Means this band of color, this all band of color is known as your right. Then the spectrum is divided on the basis of your frequency and wavelength. All these colors will have different frequency and different wavelength. Now, why violet is deviated more and red is deviated least? Means we see here all the colors are having different angle of deviation. Because in last class you have seen angle of deviation means that is angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray. See, between this line, violet line and incident line, that is angle will be del 1. Similarly, between incident line and that is red light will be del 2. We see that all the colors are having different angle of deviation. So what is division? The angle of deviation for each color is different because now here angle of deviation that was there is inversely proportional to lambda. That is this angle of deviation. Means wavelength, because here light and we are talking about the wave. In higher school you will see that is light is just a wave. So light will each color will have its different wavelength. And we know angle of deviation is inversely proportional to wavelength. The color which will have more wavelength will be least deviated. And the color which will have greater wavelength will have more angle of deviation. So see here, red is least because it is least deviation. Means delta for red is very small. Why? Because red is least deviation because wavelength of red is shortest among the visible spectrum. Means among the seven color, among the seven, the wavelength of the red is very less, right? So that is very high. Wavelength is very longest. Means red is having longest wavelength. In means among seven, longest wavelength will be of red. So its angle of deviation will be more. It will have highest angle, least angle of deviation. This is more, so this will less. So it will be only top. It will have only least angle of deviation, right? But violet is more deviated. Why? Most deviated because wavelength of see, this wavelength of violet is very small, so its angle of deviation will be. So different colors will have different angle of deviation, but we see the cornerstone, that is at the top, least deviated is red, white because its wavelength is very large, so angle of deviation will be small. Means it will be least bend, and wavelength of your that is violet color is least, so it will have more deviation, so it will lie below the band of seven colors, right? Means here you can write right. That is, if you compare red and violet, we see deviation of angle for violet is more than your red because wavelength of red is more than your wavelength of violet. And on this relation, that is your deviations occur through a prism, right? Here we will talk about the seven colors. They come into the visible because this color can be seen by our eyes. But there are many that is invisible ray. For example, we talk about the infrared, we talk about the X-ray, we talk about the gamma ray. Right? These all rays are not visible with the naked eye, so they are invisible rays. The visible thing, the color which, the light which can be seen by our naked eye. So here, in band of color, we are talking about only the seven colors that are visible with our naked eye. Next is means sunlight is made of seven colors. Light of sunlight, light from the sun, composed of seven colors. It was proved by Sir Isaac Newton with the help of prism, right? Generally, if I say you say that sunlight is yellow in color, no. Generally, white lights from sun, the white lights come, and when prism is put, then it is split into seven colors. How you go? It took a prism. first it will be blue, and from here sunlight came. Right? Then accordingly this I am showing only red and violet. This one is red and violet. Among these, between there are many colors, right? So when sunlight is placed between, then after reflection due to dispersion, there were 7 colors, band of 7 colors. Then again what it is, again you place and try to resolve this, to split these colors further. But it fails. What it is, you first put a 3, then you got 7 colors, then again you put 3, it would get from 7 colors, you can get 49 colors or any amount of colors, but it failed. And what is it? First prism placed in the same way is it took 2 prisms. And placed together, that is together in place of, you place one prism and second prism, and but second prism is how it is inverted, right? Not in the same direction. One was top to bottom, one was bottom to top. Means second prism was inverted. And similarly, what it is, what it is? First, we place the first prism in front of the sunlight. This white light entered, and due to dispersion, it was split in 7 colors: red, blue, orange, green, right, and so on, only red and white. Then you placed near this prism another prism in inverted position, right? So when these 7 colors entered the prism, then he put his screen near this second prism. Then he found that again the 7 colors combined into white color. Means first prism split into 7 colors, and second prism, that 7 color merged into 1 color. That is, from this experiment he proved that sunlight is composed of 7 colors, right? To see this, you just put the screen, means on the screen you got a white light, then inside between this band of 7 colors, this also visible by naked eye, then that is outside of the second prism on the screen, we got a white color. In this way, it was proved that sunlight is composed of 7 colors.